Hi everyone. Today our first session of current affairs 1/1/2021. Vaccine close to approval hints by Drug Controller General of India. And the statement from PM Modi is that Dawai bhi aur Kadai bhi means that as the vaccine is arriving we should not lower our guards. And the whole system will be maintained in a database of COVID-19 platform. Next, core sector shrinks by 2.6% in November 2020. It is one of the important point that there will be 8 core sectors. The 40.27% contribution of industrial output is from these 8 core sectors. And Jio calls to all networks free from today because IUC interconnect usage charges are going to be free. Congress says biodecomposer scam by government. It is important because to know about biodecomposer. It is a tablets which will be used to decompose the stubble in the farming lands. So what is the point? Congress says that only 23 lakhs on distribution of decomposer and 10 crores on publicity government is using. Britain leaves Europe single market. It was in a transition period from 1 Jan 2020 to 31st December 2020. So it is completed yesterday night and now Britain leaves Europe single market. Okay. This is another point. Digital Ocean. It is a web-based application inaugurated by Ministry of Health Sciences. It is developed by INCOIS. What is INCOIS? It is Indian National Center for Ocean Informatics System. It is a new state-of-art data platform for ocean data management. This INCOIS will maintain some database for the ocean data management. Indian women and children are highly anemic. This is according to NFHS 2019-20. It is a condition. What is that anemic condition? It is having a low count of RBC or hemoglobin. In India, 15 out of 22 states and UTs, more than half of the children are anemic. Similarly, more than 50% of women are anemic. We can easily know that how in pathetic condition women of India is there. Ruthenium 106 plague. It is an eye cancer therapy developed by BARC, Mumbai. It is first indigenous treatment for ocular tumors. What is ocular tumors? Ocular tumors are tumors which occur inside an eye. So for this, therapy was developed by BARC, Mumbai. Next, recently Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) have introduced 1% cash payment norm in GST. The Department of Revenue announced that GST taxpayers should compulsorily pay at least 1% of their tax in cash. It will be effective from 1st Jan 2021. This norm is applicable to businesses whose turnover crosses over 50 lakhs. Means if a business person turnover crosses the 50 lakhs, there should be compulsory 1% cash payment. Okay. Next, Madhya Pradesh government organizes Rag Bhupali, which is an exhibition to promote Zari Zardoji crops. This Zari Zardoji is a metal embroidery which is famous in Madhya Pradesh and certain parts of Uttar Pradesh also. So, Madhya Pradesh government organized a Rag Bhupali exhibition. Okay. Recently, PM has flagged off 100th Kisan Rail service from Sangola in Maharashtra to Shalimar in West Bengal. In August 2020, first Kisan Rail was dedicated to agriculture and farmers was began to connect farmers and markets across the country. Gavi Alliance. It is a global alliance for vaccines and immunization. Recently, Union Health Minister has been nominated by Gavi as a member of Gavi board. It is a global health partnership that is dedicated to immunization for all. Breakthrough Listen Project, which is called as BLP. It was started by Stephen Hawking. It recently detected radio wave emission from Proxima Centauri, closest star to the sun, which is 4.2 light years away from the sun. Kolar leaf, nosed bat. It is found only in two caves of Kolar district. The bat recently became extinct in one of the caves. So IUCN in IUCN, it is in critically endangered list. This IUCN list is very important for competitive exams because it recognizes uh, all the animals and birds and trees, everything in IUCN list. India's first hot air balloon wildlife safari is launched in Madhya Pradesh. It is launched in Bandhavgarh Tiger Reserve. Today, January 1st, is a DRDO Day, established on 1st January 1958. Headquarters New Delhi. Motto of DRDO is Strength Origin is in Knowledge. Next, the highest meteorological center of India is located in Ladakh. The facility is located at height of 3,500 meters, making it is the highest meteorological center in India. It is one of the important point to be remembered. Highest meteorological center of India is located in Ladakh. Recently, the Union Cabinet approves the export of Akash Defence Missile System. It is a short-range surface-to-air missile with a range of 25 kilometers. It is developed by DRDO. It is developed indigenously. Next, Argentina, a Latin America country, has legalized abortion up to 14th week of pregnancy. It was a historic decision in a country that has some of the world's most restrictive abortion laws. In 2009, the Supreme Court of India gave a landmark judgment in Suchita Srivastava vs. Chandigarh administration case where it was held that right to reproductive autonomy is an integral part of the right to life under Article 21 of Indian Constitution. You should read about this Suchita Srivastava versus Chandigarh administration because there is a news on abortion in Argentina. India Bhutan signed MOU on cooperation in the peaceful uses of outer space. India Bhutan signed a MOU. The MOU is approved by Union Cabinet. Sahak Yanji. It is India's first indigenous air-doped container. Recently, DRDO and Indian Navy have conducted the successful maiden test of this. It is an advanced version of Sahak MK1 AIM to enhance India's Navy's operational logistic capabilities. Shulapaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Gujarat. Tribal communities have urged PM Modi to withdraw center's notification classifying villages around the sanctuary as eco-sensitive zones. It shares common boundary with Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. It specially protects sloth bears. Bureau of Police Research Development. It is established under Ministry of Home Affairs. It replaced the Police Research and Advisory Council PRAC. It will help in modernization of police forces. National Summit on Good Republic Practice and Replicable Practices and Innovations. Recently, it is inaugurated by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. The first such summit was held in 2013 at Srinagar. PM has set a bold target of RB-free India by 2025, 5 years ahead of the Sustainable Development Goal target of 2030. Anglosphere. It is a global geographical of English speaking people countries that fall under the Anglosphere are USA, UK, Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. Thank you. This is the current affairs for today.